Good day, everybody. I'm creating my flawless cut crease for work, getting jazzy, going to work because I'm filming a pink try-on haul, so I might as well do my makeup and knock it out. So I'm creating my flawless base with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX concealer and honey, which is matte and is good for setting and doing cut creases, and the LA Girl Pro face powder and caramel just to buff that out. Now the masquerade palette, you all, I have been digging back into this good old throwback for some time. And what we're going to do is we are going to actually mask the fat on my eyes. Yes, I have fat on my eyes. I'm hooded eyes, but I'm severe hooded eyes. But with the powers of makeup, we're going to camouflage that. So you have to stamp in your color in the shape of a U or like an umbrella, half a moon crescent type on top of that fat to get it to blend in where you can't really see it. Other than that, you would have to have eyelid lift surgery, and I ain't trying to go that route. So we just gonna use the powers of makeup and stamp that on in, you all. So get your color as intense as you want it, and then you blend out. So also that Urban Decay Electric palette, that hot poppin' orange, we're going to put that on top of that brown just to heighten it a little bit and get it to pop a little bit more. This is the orange that I use in my Juvia's foundation review as well, y'all, which got a lot of compliments on that eye look. And I like my brow bone free of color, so I use my LA Colors powder and go back in there and just buff that out and just make it do what it do, y'all. I find my colors look best when I don't drag the colors all the way up to the brow bone. That silver shimmer in that Urban Decay Electric palette is big, you all. I'm just taking it on a flat definer brush and pressing it in on my carved out cut crease, which I did the cut crease with the same concealer, you all. It dries matte, so it works pretty perfect for that. Although I want the Makeup Revolution canvas base or the P. Louise, but this is going to do in the meantime. And to get that crease to stand out a little bit more, you want to push that color right on up into the rim. And I'm going to take the NYX Mix in Medium and add a little bit of that to the front part of my lid, the part that's closer into my nose area. And we're going to add some, oh shit, wait a minute, I'm moving too fast. Okay, this is the goldish copperish bronzes colors from the Juvia's palette just to add a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to use the Mix in Medium and stamp on a little bit of that NYX glitter just to make it pop a little bit more. So now, with the wing liner, you all, I never thought I'd see the day when I'll be using this tiny wing liner brush. I used to clown this brush. But you know what? This brush is my friend because with the hooded folds on my eyes, you have to kind of make your wing underneath the fold. And this brush is small enough where it get in there and it does just that. I don't need a large elongated wing. I don't need a thick wing. But to get it right up under there, it does its job. And this is the part I already told y'all about. I don't know how the hell I got all the way over here in the voiceover. But you know what? This is just who I am. I'm not even going to retake this and edit this out. But again, that glitter, we just want it to pop a little bit more. Okay? And make sure I got my little piece of wing on fleek. Now I'm moisturizing my face. That Skin Active has been bathed for a little minute, y'all. And the Cucumber Primer from Wet n Wild. Don't forget to use the coupons on that. And then we're going to just go and buff in my concoction, which, if you look, I like for my foundations to be warmer. I got dragged on the Juvia's video, but this one applies the same. And then it oxidizes. Listen, baby, when you want all the smoke, just buff it out, make it nice and simple. Lip gloss popping. I want to thank you all for watching and showing support always, y'all. You know, it's a lot of us that do the makeup thing, but hell, I might even be back Wednesday with a review on this wig. Previously on Diva TV.